Hello, everybody. I am back home, and waiting for me was this case. So we have got ourselves a GameStop AAB case unboxing, 36 pieces. If you follow me on Instagram or here on YouTube, you know, or you might know that I ordered this along with everybody else a couple of weeks ago. Expected to get it a week ago. I think it was a week ago today, but UPS lost it. It arrived in Salt Lake City, and then they somehow shipped it to South Dakota from there. I have no idea why. All of a sudden, my tracker changed. I called them, and they said, "We're sorry, but there ain't nothing we can do. You're not going to get it till next week." And I said, "Well, that stinks, because I wanted to open this before the event on November 2nd." And they said, "Sorry." And that was about it. So I went to SEMA this week, as hopefully you know from my Instagram feeds. Was able to meet with the guys over at iBock, which is fantastic. The folks over at KW, which was fantastic. And we'll do some showcases, or I'll show you some of the videos there. I got to work on that, work on the footage. There was also Hot Wheels with Magnus Walker over at Mobile. He's got a new one coming out. And then, of course, Hot Wheels was there with all of the Legends winners from this year. This was last year's winner, the 2Jet Z, and they announced that winner. So lots and lots that I was able to see. It was a very, very cool week, but I am exhausted, and now I get to do an unboxing video. So I guess, you know, silver lining, I don't have to produce a really quick video for you guys. I can do a quick unboxing, and then I can get some rest. But you probably already know what's in these cases. Of course, we don't know if there's a super or not, but I guess we'll find out. In case you do want to know, this is a B case. GameStop shipped these just like this, no protective case. I don't mind. Some people do. This is the super of the B case. I haven't opened it yet for my B case showcase. So nothing new in this case. You just get a chance to see me open it up. So there's some information that I need. I'll throw that over here. There's some things about GameStop. I'll throw that over here. And let's open up this case. There's always different assortments, so let's just start at the top. We'll look at the exclusives and the first to markets. This is the Dune It Up, Gotta Go, and Tooligan. I'm going to have a hard time remembering what is from the A case and what isn't. I know I've done the B case unboxing too, so holdovers, High-Tech Missile, Indy 500 Oval, and the BMW K300R. That might be a first to market. I can't remember, but that's kind of nice. They'll do two of the exclusives and two of each of the exclusives, and then one each of the first to market. Still going through a lot of unlicensed stuff, so we'll get through them. Hot Wheels Formula Solar Hyper Rocker. Kind of a cool deco on that. Kind of like that one. Having been at SEMA, it looks like a lot of things I saw at SEMA. And then the Hollinator. All right, I see already two first to markets. Now it gets interesting. Check it out. 68 Chevy Nova. Love this deco. Matches the... why am I going to forget the name of that car? That's what happens when you do an unboxing. But that... from last year, what was it called? You guys will tell me in the comments, I know. So that is the 68 Chevy Nova in a just delicious deco. Look at that. The entire model is covered. There's a GTO from the Military Rod series that I think... really fits that one, that I might be able to match up. All right, next first to market, and I'm really digging this one. We'll get over, this is Snoopy. We've already seen that one, so we'll move that one on. And then this first to market is fantastic. 96 Porsche Carrera. We saw this in white and blue last year. Now it is in black. Headlights done, taillights done. That thing is gorgeous. Love the 5-spoke wheels on it. That's gonna be a favorite of the year for sure. I just love how clean it is. Matches the white and the silver or white and the blue that they did. All right, here's your first exclusive. It is the Jaguar XE SV Project 8. This is a 2019. I don't know if there's the difference here, but this is the recolor of the 2019 version. So while these are all 2020 cars inside, this is the 2019. Release, and I think a couple of the others are, but in blue to match the orange released prior, and that thing is just fantastic. Dodge Viper SRT 10 ACR, and then the Sword Warthog. I don't know if that's new to the... I don't think that's a first to market. I think that's just new to the B case. All right, next one. Another exclusive. We got the Jag again, but up here, 91 Mazda MX-5 Miata, also a recolor of the 2019 version. We saw it in blue and then red and now green, so that makes for a nice little family. 89 Porsche 944 Turbo, the new model highlight of the 2020 B case, and then of course the Jag again. Really digging those. It's always nice when you have like really nice first to markets and nice exclusive. HW Warp Speeder. Nice to see the Subaru Impreza 22B holdover from the A case, and then the 69 Chevelle. Another exclusive 91 Mazda MX-5 Miata in green, 18 Copo Camaro. So we got two of the Mazdas, Copo Camaro, and then the cool one. Slide Kick Batmobile, and then here's another exclusive 69 Dodge Charger Daytona in orange. I don't remember what the original color is, but that one looks nice with the side and the top flames. And then in the other recolor, 19 Ford Ranger Raptor, also a 2019. So all of them are 2019 models intermixed with 2020. This is the third color of that model, which is pretty nice. Then we have the Pixel Shaker and the Chill Mill. Put that one over there. Aeropod 2 Jet Z, we were talking about that one. That is the Legends winner. And then another Ford Ranger, a Raptor, and then to finish it off, 95 Mazda RX-7, Power Rocket, and look at that, already opened. 69 Dodge Charger Daytona. That is it. That is my 36 count case. So I think those that got the A assortment, we had the 999 AAA. Those are the ones with the Ford GT in them. And then, of course, some of those would have been the Super Treasure Hunt. So I would have to have opened the AAA, and that's how I would have gotten this one. So you guys can let me know. If anybody got a Super in the AAB, let me know. I guess it can happen because they just mix them in, so they just would have plopped it in. So maybe that is the case. But that is my assortment. Really excited about these exclusives. I think all of these will go into, except for the Dodge Charger Daytona, these three are all new models, and they'll all go into my Lamley Awards, right? As I showcase the new models, they're all worthy to be in there. And then, of course, that Porsche is fantastic. You guys tell me what you think. That is the unboxing. I'll get myself settled back in after a wild week, and I've got a lot more to show you. Thanks, everybody. Bye.